Alright guys, so this is the field test of the Rode Wireless Pro. I've got the camera set up, so we have the receiver right here, and that's using the Rode cable to connect up to the camera recording output. I'm also wearing the transmitter with the furry windshield, so hopefully that should give me some noise cancellation. Alright, so let's give it a test. Switch this on, switch the wireless mic on, and give it a test. Alright, so we set up the camera and we're ready to go. Let's see how far the Rode Wireless Pro can record in terms of distance. Alright, so we're starting off around about 2 meters away and walking back, and we're about 5 meters away now. And still walking back to about 10 meters. And I'm not sure if I turn my back around, will you actually hear my voice? Sometimes it needs a line of sight. I'm sure with most wireless recording, you need that line of sight to get that recording. Otherwise, if I turn around, you might not hear me, but if you do, then it's a plus. Well done, Rode, for that. But we're now around about 20 meters away. Moving back a bit more. We're about 30, 35. And here we're about 50 meters away. So if you can hear me clearly, then amazing. So we're moving back a bit more. Okay, now we're about 75 meters away. We're now 100 meters away, no problems at all. So again, if you hear me clearly, amazing. That's the kind of distance that your phone or your camera is about to record okay. Any further than that, then you need a really powerful zoom lens to capture more than 100 meters away clearly. But I can go on further, and I think the Rode Wireless Pro can handle that no problem. So this is a quick road test of the Rode Wireless Pro. As you can see, I'm all the way down here, and the camera is actually set up around about 12 stories high, and with a distance of around about 80 meters. If you can hear the audio clearly, then it's a job well done, Rode.